It's almost the 250th anniversary of the US. That's exciting to me because I love America. There are so many things I love. I love my almost 2 acres. I love God first, then people, cats, gardening, photography, all sorts of wonderful things. Most people would tell you I wear a lot of red, white, and blue. Obviously, I am a fan of those colors. I want to share with you a few of my favorite photos from over the last few years. Enjoy, and happy birthday, America.